Okay, so we want to know slope and slope-intercept equation. So let's say we have the y-axis, and that's going to be x because it starts with a y. And we have the x-axis, so that's going to be xylophones because that starts with an x. So let's say I start with 3 yaks. So I have 0, 3 yaks. So there it is right there. That's what I'm starting with. 3 yaks. See? And I can only buy yaks and xylophones together. So every time I buy one xylophone, I have to get 2 yaks. I don't know why. They're really big xylophones, and the yaks, you need 2 of them to carry. So if I want to buy yaks and xylophones, I got to buy them together. I have 3 yaks, and I need another xylophone because I got another xylophone player. So I have to go up 2 yaks and over 1 xylophone, right? So I got this is 0, 3, so I have to go up 2 and over 1. So I got to go to this point here. So this point is 1, 5. Right? So that's point 1, 5. There it is. Okay. So every time I buy a xylophone, I got to get 2 more yaks. So if I'm going to go up to the next one, it would be 7, 2. Oops. Oh, it's going to be 2, 7. See, I forget to do that stuff too, just like you guys. The X, the xylophones, is going across and the yaks is going up. So we have to make sure we do that correctly. Now, let's say I want to skip up to 10, let's say 10 xylophones, right? So if I want to get to 10 xylophones and there's 2 yaks for each xylophone, but I already started at 3, how do I get there? Well, one way I can do that is to just draw a line through the points, and then I can follow till I get to 10. Here's my 10 over here. So, wow, it's way up here, and here it is right here. So I can stick that point in at 10, 23. So I need 23 yaks to carry my 10 xylophones. Okay. So while that's nice and all, um, I'm saying, you know, that works for that. Okay. So I want to know, I'm going worldwide with this. So I'm going to do thousands and thousands and thousands of xylophones. And so thousands and thousands is going to be way, way over to the right. That's way off my graph. So I don't know how to get there. So what I have to do is create an equation. And the simplest equation is y equals mx plus b. So that would be y equals mx plus b. Okay, my x is a little ugly, but I hope you get the point. So m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. X is xylophones and y is yaks. So if I want 1,000 xylophones, I can put 1,000 in for x, multiply by the slope, and then add my y-intercept and figure out how many yaks I need. All right. Well, I know my y-intercept is 3, and my slope is going up 2 and over 1. So my slope is 2. My y-intercept is 3. So the equation to find out how many yaks I need if I have 1,000 xylophones is y equals 2x plus 3. If I put the 1,000 in for the x, then I multiply by 2 and add 3. So 2 times 1,000 is 2,000. And add 3 to that is 3. So if I want to buy 1,000 xylophones, then I need 2,000 and 3 yaks to carry them. Okay? And I got that from my equation. You can see if I go up in here and I write the equation y equals 2x plus 3, look at that line. It matches the other line. So if I delete this line and this line, you see there's nothing in between here. So if I add this line back in, you see it goes through all of my points. And I could follow this line up and up and up until I get to 1,000 xylophones, or I can do the math like I just did and show how many xylophones I need.